So I'm going on a little trip today and taking you guys with me to show you a little behind the scenes of the shed. Here, gotta put my Tuff Shed hat on though.
Get some eye protection, ear protection, and do a run.
I am at the Tuff Shed factory in Richmond, taking you guys along.
So we'll start out over here where we build our doors. Our doors are one of the things that really, they set Tuff Shed apart from our competitors. So I don't know if you've ever seen one of our competitors' sheds. The door is usually a 2x4 and a piece of plywood. It warps over time.
Yeah.
Doesn't shut evenly. So our doors, they're all made in-house. We've got a steel tooth frame with an OSB, smart side, trim, 3 500-pound hinges, and a patented handle.
Okay.
So this door will never warp, it'll never bend, it'll never twist. It's going to hold its shape and be able to close for years. They're made here in-house on a jig that we have. So they're all going to be square coming out of the factory. You're not going to have a door that's out of square, out of level. As soon as they get hung, they're going to close nice.
Very cool.
In the middle of the floor, this is where all of our walls are made. Everything's built right here. The wood's cut, brought right over to the table, and framed out. So that's another big advantage of Tuff Shed. We press all of our trusses with a hydraulic press with truss plates to an engineered spec. Take a look at that one. So you've got an actual engineered truss with a truss plate that's been pressed in a hydraulic press. This is actually your kit right here ready to go for tomorrow.
Wow.
So that's how it gets assembled, loaded onto a trailer, and our installers take that away. Now, one thing you'll notice, bottom plate here, you can see everything written on this bottom plate. Inside all those wall cavities, you're going to have your shingles, your underlayment, your screws, your caulking. Okay. Everything you need to build this shed is inside this kit. Wow. So literally all we do is we pick this up, we put it on the installer trailer, we take it away, and it's ready to be built.
Heck yeah!
So we're looking forward to putting it together for you tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta get a little video of that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so this right here is my shed kit. There's my name, and this has everything in it to build the shed, and it's happening tomorrow. It was really cool to get like that experience. I really loved it. I loved seeing the hands-on, all of the local workers putting together all these buildings, seeing how it's all done. I had no idea, and it was really awesome to see it. After seeing the process, I'm 100% confident that it's gonna be the best, knowing that Tuff Shed has put it together. I'm very happy doing it this way. I'm over the moon excited. I cannot wait. I started Castmates Home as an outlet, as a stay-at-home mom. I was just looking for a hobby and a way to express myself, and I was very passionate about making my house a home and decided to take that onto the internet. I needed a special place for me to house all of my equipment and be the home of all my DIY projects, so a shed was the perfect solution to that. Tuff Shed was a perfect opportunity because their sheds are customizable, and that was the opportunity for me to make the absolute perfect workshop for me and my brand. The team arrived at my house with my shed kit on their trailer bright and early, and worked for several hours, got it all knocked out in one day, and it just flew by. They worked to level out the frame first and figure out the foundation for me, which was amazing. I did not have to worry about that. And then walls just flew up and it became a shed right before my eyes. I honestly knew that Tuff Shed was a high quality shed company already, but seeing it in person definitely validated that. It's just beautiful through and through, and the attention to detail that the team made for putting the shed together was amazing. It's got so many extra details that I just learned about yesterday on the install day that blew me away and make me feel very confident in my choice to work with Tuff Shed. I
really wanted a lot of natural light in there because I do a lot of filming and shooting and a lot of intricate projects, so the extra windows were a must for me. And I really love the modern look of all black. I think it's just beautiful and it feels like an extension of my home. I have a lot of black accents in my house and I feel like it just complements it. It really shocked me how customizable Tuff Shed is. Typically when you're looking to buy a shed, you get what you get. And with Tuff Shed, that is not the case. You customize it and the team works with you to fit your needs, to fit your property, your location, your restrictions that you have in your zone. And they're just a great team to work with in general, and it all just blew me away. I love it so much. I'm Cass with Cass Makes Home, and I love my Tuff Shed building.